So I want us to get a market that we can apply, that is the reversal strategy. So we need a market which has dipped, like either even or odd. In terms of percentage, should be less than 45%. Okay, so let's see if we can get any. That is, let's go to 10 1s, then 25 1s, go to 50 1s. Okay, so we have this one. We can set up odd, 51s odd. So 51s, the A rate. So 51s, the market is odd. We'll be sticking $100, targeting 300 USD. Then stop loss, we need 3 consecutive losses, which is 600. I think that's okay now. Then click there, opening pop-up view, quick fast, right. Okay, so we need to be fast. Then click there, go to the analysis tool. So I want us to trade odd, and the market has already reversed. Rate analysis, volatility is 51s, and we are supposed to trade odd. The odd market is on momentum. So how do we make an entry? Click there. We need at least 3 even digits, then run our bot. At least 3 even digits followed by an odd. Even, okay, even, okay. So we need at least 3 even digits followed by an odd. Even, okay, even. Let me make an entry, still fine. Okay, first trade is a loss, second one is a loss, stop. Let's make a fresh entry, click there. So even, odd, run. First trade is a win, second one is a win, third one is a loss, win, last trade is a win. Target profit hit exactly 376. Just check transactions. We did how many trades? We have done 9 trades, 6 wins and just 3 losses. This was our first trade, so we only hit 2 consecutive losses, and that's how we are able to make how much? That's how we are able to make that is 57,000 Kenya shillings. So how do you analyze this market? Okay, so okay, let me maximize this one. I take a screenshot for this. Okay, so let me explain. We call it the red bar, we call it the reversal strategy. So just click to go to the analysis tool. So I just want to give a brief explanation on how we do it, how you analyze reversal strategy, reversal market. So for example, this is a variety that we actually trading. I was actually using, that is 101s. For example, this is a good reversal. So you identify a market that is 45% and below. For example, in this case we have 51s, even is less than 45%. So you go on your robot and set up that is volatility 51s and set up even, but when do you start executing your contract? So this is what you do. You wait for this even market to gain the momentum. You wait for even market to gain the momentum. Currently you can actually see the odd market is actually dominating this market, so you wait for even market to gain the momentum. So how does this market gain the momentum? You'll actually see the momentum that is in two places. For example, on this percentage tool, you'll actually see this percentage increase. You'll actually see this percentage increase. Currently you can actually see it's around 45. It will increase to 46 all the way to 50. Then on this LDP, you'll also see like the even digits have started to fight for dominance. So what you do, you first of all do the trade setup, then wait for this even market to gain the momentum. When this percentage of even market hits 50, it becomes the most dominant digits. The even digits become the most dominant digits. You now wait for your that is entry point. And how do you actually get your entry points? Because we want to trade even, you will wait for at least three consecutive odds. Yeah, for example, let's see, for example, a situation like this one we have, let's see. So you wait for three consecutive odds. For example, odd, where the even digit will pop, like right now, right here. You make your entry on even. Yeah, so it's actually very simple. So you have to wait until the even digits gains the momentum. So don't come and find a market like this one and start trading odd because it is a majority. There is a high possibility this odd market is actually on a bearish momentum. Like this market, the odd digits have actually gained so much, and now the even digits are on momentum. If you just come and get into this market and trade odd, my friend, by the end of the day, chances are very high you might lose this trade. So we need to trade in a market that is on high momentum. And how can you be able to tell the market is on high momentum? That's why we need to apply the reverse even odd reverse strategy. So we need to trade a market which is less than 45%. We wait for that market to gain the momentum. That market actually will move from 45% to that is over 50%. So when this market even markets become the majority and starts dominating on this LDP, yeah, that's when you make an entry. You just need to wait for at least three even digits. For example, you are to trade even, you wait for three odd digits and make an entry. In case you are trading odd, wait for three even digits, at least three even digits, then make three even digits followed by an odd, then you make your entry on that is on the respective market. Yeah, so for example, in this case you want to trade even, that means you'll wait for three consecutive odds, then make your entry on even. Yeah, it's actually very simple. You can actually see we have actually managed to do a single trade here. We have done 9 trades, 6 wins, and we have been able to target to make over $400 US. It's actually that simple. That's all. Goodbye.